Hi there, my name is Sam, and in this video we'll go over the 3 different levels of prompting: page level prompts, section level prompts, and element level prompts. So let's dive into it. Let's start with the page level prompting. This means that your prompt will affect the entire page. And the way to do this is to simply describe what you want. So if we want to add more conversion elements to this entire page, we can prompt something like make this page more conversion optimized. The AI will then know it needs to execute this task across the entire page. So pretty straightforward. Then let's take a look at the section level prompts. The way to do this is to simply select a section on the canvas that you want to edit. For example, this one, let's select it. We can see it's the social proof section that we have just selected. And in the prompt box, this section is now also added to it. And whatever we now prompt, the AI will now only apply what we want to this specific section, to the section that we have selected and the section that's added to the prompt box. Another way to do this is to simply describe in your prompt what section it needs to edit. So we can also say, make the social proof section better. Then the AI will also know, all right, it's only about the social proof section. It's not for the entire page. It's only for this specific section. Then we have element level prompting. And this works the same as prompting on the section level, but instead of selecting a section, you simply select a single element. For example, this truss strip right here. The same thing will happen. This select element gets added to the prompt box, and now the AI will know that it only needs to change this specific element. And that's it for this video. These are the 3 levels of prompting that you need to be aware of. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.